Alright everybody, let's do this again. Get the volume up where it was. Excuse me one moment. How am I going? Requirements not met. Alright. Don't know why they're sending me there. Now, let's see what happens. Where's my ship? Everybody else notice there's no ship there? I'm just wondering. Oh, alright. Hey, there's our character.
Welcome to the last safe city on Earth. The only place the traveler can still protect. It took centuries to build. Now, we're counting every day it stands. And this tower is where the Guardians live.
I think my character leveled up. Let's see. Did I level her up already? I'll check. Any day now, game. Yeah, I leveled her up, I believe. Yep. Yeah, I leveled her up already. What's this? Oh, it's just a ship. Alright. Let's go talk to our mentor, Guardian individual. Hey, you.
You're looking for something particular?
Oh, that's different. Sure. Take that.
You think you need it?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. That's all my money I have? Holy crap, where'd that all come from? But, okay.
Yeah, I wish I could go with you.
Well, that's not from my other profile. Let's see. Put that. Get rid of this. Bam. That's my character. Now what? Get a new gun. let's go for a pistol.
Good weapon.
Never really used one much before, but I shall today.
Watch yourself.
You watch yourself, mister. Equip my new weapon because this is crap. Let's get rid of that. I'll keep it just in case stuff starts to go south. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, wrong way. Alright, come on, girl. You can run. That's not my ship, right?
Takes a loving touch to do it right.
What do you gotta give me? Okay.
I made some of my own modifications to this one.
Thank you, sweetness. Whoa! I did not jump. That was weird.
The Vanguard sent you?
Let's see. I gotta be level 5 in order to buy any of these. Level 20s.
Whatever you need to continue the fight, Guardian.
Alright, well. Let's go and have some fun.
Dragon profile update received. Thank you.
I got about 8 minutes left. I'm going to do what I can in 8 minutes and then I'll upload this video. Hide somewhere. It'll be like a part 1, a couple of parts here and there. Let's see what we can do. Oh, these screens are so long sometimes.
There's so little left here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city with that one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again. A Guardian ship was recently shot down here. If the Fallen haven't gotten to it, there might be parts we can salvage.
That's nice. Sorry, bro. Hurry up.
The ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can call their last transmission. They managed to restore an information hub here, down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
It's always the tunnels below. Let's go. Sorry, buddy. Hey, hey, hey. waste my time. Who the hell? Probably the ship. That was awesome.
A map of the entire area. What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon. Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back.
Aw. Always have to go back. Ooh. Put that on. Alright everybody, I think I'll hide out here for a bit and then I'll come back. Just gotta load this up.